Welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Today's dish is all the above. It's a tomato burgle salad. It's just so easy to prepare. It's really delicious and it's vegetarian, which I love. And you can do it any minute. It's just that quick. Olive oil, onions, green peppers, and I'm just going to let that saute for a couple minutes. Green onions, cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes. I'm using these, but you can use really any tomato you want. Black pepper, cumin, and I have here some red chili paste, tomato paste. So I'm going to let it saute a bit, because when you put the tomato paste and you saute it, it caramelizes the sugars in it, and it's really just gives another level of flavor. Salt. And now it's ready for the cracked wheat or the burgle. I use the very fine variety, which we normally use for tabbouleh. Gonna mix. And I'm gonna add some water. And what I'm gonna do is, I just need it to come to the boil, and then I'm gonna cover it and take it off the fire, and actually it will start cooking in its own steam. If you want to use the coarse cracked wheat, follow the notes in my recipe. It's reached the boil. I'm just gonna cover and turn the fire off and leave it aside. You can see all the water has been absorbed by the burgle. It's done. Put it on a plate until it cools down. I have pomegranate seeds, pine nuts, optional, and finally a lot of parsley. A little squeeze of lemon, I like to finish this with some feta cheese. The saltiness just works with this dish. But you can finish it with any kind of cheese, or you can just have it like this, or you can do some grilled meats with it. The choices are endless. I'm gonna finish with some pomegranate molasses. And now, my favorite part, the tasting. Delicious. It's salty, it's sweet, it's spicy, it's crunchy. It's got everything I love in one dish. Try it. You might like it.